This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 21 of building Optimus Prime from the Transformers. In this issue, we're doing a little self-contained thing. So let's have a look through the magazine first, and then we've got the free gifts to look at as well this time. So let's get to that. We're looking at Robert Epps. I believe that's a character in the series. Chief Master Sergeant. Yeah, there we go. Then the voices of Optimus. Yes, obviously had voices over the years, but they're good. The Fallen. Yeah, I remember them from the films. Super God Master Force. Got no idea about that. That has no memory for me at all. If it does for you, leave me a comment. Let me remind me what it's all about, because I'm not going to be reading the words. Right, this is what we're going to be doing. A little bit more on the right leg, but this is all just self-contained. We've got these little bits to put onto the slightly bigger bit. 1, 2, and 3 pieces to fit in, leaving it like that. So not much to do. We're not actually attaching it to the rest of the leg yet. So hence the small self-contained episode, because freebies. In this issue, we get this. Look, a box, a nice box. Know what's going to be in here. Most of these part works at some point will provide you with a mug. Normally they're white with a little print on the side of them. This one is black with a little print on the side of it. Obviously Transformers themed. We've got the Autobots and the Decepticon logos. Interesting. It looks like there's a bit missing from the side there on both prints. Not entirely certain what that's all about, but it does the job. It's a mug. I shall add it to my small collection across the back of my bench there, which I put screws and things in. But not just the mug. As well as the mug, today we get another free gift. We get the backpack. Let me get it out of plastic. I'm going to have a look at it. Again, big print on the side of it. This one hasn't got any bits missing from it. Let's open that up. Yeah, backpack seems to be another thing that a lot of these artworks provide you with, which are quite interesting, different. It's quite nicely made, nice vinyl print on there. Interestingly, just the one compartment by the looks of this. There's bottle things on the side, but just the one big zip. Goes halfway around, opens up. Yeah, just the one large compartment in there. No extra bits. So, yeah, a little bit disappointing. It doesn't look quite right without a little pocket on the front there, but it's quite nice. You can't argue with free, can you? So, yeah, there we go. Today's free gifts. I'll move everything out of the way and let's get this part built. Yeah, here we go. All plastic this time, but quite nicely shaped and moulded anyway. Not entirely certain where that is. Even from the picture, it's not entirely clear. I think it's an ankle piece. But we've got these 3 bits to add on to it. Obviously, just no screws involved on any of these. Just little plugs that go into the little holes. That one, that one. And that one down there. And up as well. That. The little one goes just above that. Those 2 plugs. Do the 2 little holes. A bit like that. And the final one across the edge on that side. Again, lining up. that makes that shape across there. Yeah, all in all, that's quite nice. Sure that that's quite in right. But yeah, it is. It's got a little bit of a gap there, but I think that's how it's meant to be. That's the job. And yeah, that will be ready to be added probably next time. We'll see what happens in the next issue. So for now, that's that. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.